Hello and welcome to Bitcoin US dollar technical analysis. So in my last video I mentioned that this might be the ABC. So this was one scenario. The next scenario would be that we got then just another upwards move and then another downwards move. But yeah, Bitcoin decided to turn around at this area. So probably I would have to move this around and this as, yeah, likely if we get this one, this two is likely to go down to the area of the previous four. So, but it doesn't matter really. What matters is that there's a good chance that this has been wave one and we got a wave two down to this area where obviously there has been a lot of buying interest. All of the this price range has been bought every time, but nonetheless this is still, it would be still valid for Bitcoin to go all the way down to this make or break, which is in the area of $8,870 approximately. And yeah, from there Bitcoin could turn around basically. And the main thing that I changed in my graph for Bitcoin, in my chart, is that basically this wave three, this target of the red one, which is the major three from all the way down here. Yeah, so this basically moved from here to there, as judging by the power of this one that came. It looks like the next move might take Bitcoin all the way immediately to this trend line, which is around $10,800 to $10,900. Maybe a little overshoot. Following this, there could be a move down. Maybe Bitcoin just touches this trend line and then goes down for a correctional move, and then overshoots a little bit with a wave 5. Then a little oscillation around this trend line is perfectly possible, and then a very small wave 5 towards this trend line, which is basically, let me just switch to the daily chart. Which is basically this trend line from all the way from this all-time high to this second high. So this is definitely going to be a major resistance that Bitcoin has to pass through. And yeah, so there's, in my opinion, definitely going to be a rebound at this price range. So a very good target for this wave 3. This wave 4, I mean, we could see a wave 4 down to this, or we could a sideways move, but this is very far, a lot of weeks, maybe months into the future. So just short term, Bitcoin should stabilize here, at the latest stabilize here, in order to for this to still be a wave 2. The other possibility is that this is just a correctional pattern, but in my opinion this looks a little bit too strong for another correctional pattern, and we got another move down. And this is the really serious make or break, which Bitcoin should not break, which is around $8,220. If we get through this, this would be really bad, in my opinion. But yeah, Bitcoin overall looks really strong, and very nice chart patterns and wave patterns. And yeah, definitely my expectation for Bitcoin is either a turnaround here or there, all the way up to this trend line at $10,800, $10,900. Okay, that's it for Bitcoin for the moment. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.